nababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Sushi Yum Yan for sending us. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! Sushi Yum to Go is actually an order and delivery business. Isa sa mga product po nila is this Sushi Boat to Go. Meron din silang sushi cake, which is this one. This is actually customizable. Number, letter, and then meron tayong dedication dito. We also have baked sushi. Titingnan natin lahat yan, guys. Let's go! Stay ka lang dyan. So this is salmon. Sashimi. Para siyang cheese. Torch siya. So I'm gonna go for this one, the raw. Ang galing, oh. So it's wrapped with fish. Dip it here. Yaman lang. Sarap, bros. Bros. Sarap. From the look of it, medyo maanghang siya. Because it's, red. Wow. What is that? Yaman lang. Parang mango on top. This one, medyo fruity. And at the same time, meron siyang cheese. Sushi. Wrapped in salmon naman siya. My goodness! Ang sarap, grabe. Ano pa hindi ko natitikman? Okay, this one. This one has inside it, ayan, pansin nyo. So it has cheese, crab stick, and nori. So, itikman na lang natin. Cheers! This one is going to be my last for this sushi boat. There we go. So it has mayonnaise. I think it has mango rin. Just a quick information po. So this one is the sushi boat to go. Meron tayong iba-ibang sizes dito. So ito naman yung letter number sushi cake natin. And then this one is their baked sushi. Flavor naman nito, guys, is cheesy kalimaki. And then available din yung mga sushi sa bilao or tray. Contact them if you are interested to know more. And then lastly, yung mga sashimi, available din po sa kanila. Wow! Kalimaki. So this is baked sushi. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Sushi Yum Yan, for sending us your products. Make sure to contact them, guys. I'm gonna share this with my friends and my family. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye, guys.